Hi, this is Dan Passarelli. Do I have any trader mindset tips to share? And the answer is yes. It's really important to be in the right mindset when you're trading. And everyone handles it a little bit of a different way. Some people will meditate. Some people will have some internal dialogue with themselves beforehand, maybe a self-pep talk. Some people will just get into what they call the zone. But what these things all come down to are a few things. One is a positive attitude, and not a positive attitude saying, oh, I know I'm going to win on this trade, but focusing on the things that you can control. A positive attitude that, yes, I understand trading, I might make money, I might lose money, but here's where I have an edge, and here's what my trading plan is going to be. That's really the clearest mindset. And in order to do that, we can do things like, again, having that internal dialogue, saying, okay, before I make this trade, what are some of the things that I need to focus on? What are my steps? And does this trade actually meet that criteria? Just go through your process. And, some of the best traders that I know, in fact, all of the best traders that I know, or at least all of the traders that I know who have ever been successful, they actually tend to be fairly humble people, to have a lot of humility. And why? Because the market always has that ability to knock you down a peg, and just respecting the market and how it's really not necessarily man versus market, but man versus man versus himself. That is the power to having the right mindset in trading. Hope that helps. Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.